Hello everyone, welcome to Sajjad Wonders World. In today's video, we're going to unbox Huawei Watch GT2e and we're going to share some experience with this watch. Let's unbox first. Looks so premium. Let's see what inside. There's some papers, the warranty card, and the user manual. Okay, and the other side there's a cable, USB cable, and the magnetic charger. Watch look very nice, feels so premium. Build quality of the build very good, feels so soft and will be very comfortable to wear, and the magnetic charger attaches very nicely, no problem at all. It support type C cable, and you can full charge your watch in 45 minutes. Let's see GT2e and GT2 Classic Edition side by side. Both looks very good, but GT2 Classic Edition look very exclusive than GT2e. But the dial are both same size, but GT2e dial looks bigger than GT2 Classic Edition. Let's see how it look with the formal dress. GT2e is good looking, no problem at all. Yeah, but the GT2 classic version look more sporty than the GT2e in my opinion. Both the watches has the same spec. GT2 Classic Edition has extra speaker facility, like you can receive call from the watch and listen song from the watch. Both has 4 GB memory, internal memory. You can store songs there. After using both the watches for last 6 months, in GT2 Classic Edition, we found that some scratch on the screen, and the leather belt color is fade, but other than is quite okay according to the use. On the other hand, if we look at the GT2e, the screen is less scratch. Maybe the use was not that much roughly, and belt color doesn't fade because it's a plastic belt. So both the watches perform very good. Still now it's work nicely. Thank you very much for watching my video.